IEP meetings can be overwhelming and stressful, and families seem to always be afraid to say the wrong thing. I'm Jennifer Ratcliff, and I have been a special education attorney since 2011. I want to make you confident and secure when going into your next IEP meeting. To that end, here are 5 things you absolutely need to know when walking into the door for your next IEP meeting. Number 1, maintain a cooperative tone and attitude. Parents must cooperate with the district. This is a key part of any tuition reimbursement case, and even families who are not suing for reimbursement are very unlikely to get anywhere if they take an aggressive tone at their meeting. That does not mean that you should agree with anything that makes you uncomfortable. To the contrary, you should express all your concerns about the district's recommended program. Feel free to disagree all you want, just maintain a calm and even tone. Number 2, participate. Continuing in that same vein, you should not sit quietly throughout your meeting. Along with expressing disagreement, you should ask questions and be an active participant. Feel free to ask anything that you are unsure of or that doesn't seem right to you. Also, remember that if you are questioned about anything you do not know the answer to, it is okay to say that you don't know. Number 3, don't come alone. You should always have somebody at the meeting that sees eye to eye with you in terms of your child's educational level, needs, and future prospects, whether that's in the form of participants from your child's current school and or somebody that has evaluated your child. If you absolutely do not have anyone to go with you, you should have at least an evaluation that reflects your understanding of where your child currently stands. You need clinical support at the meeting for the opinions that you're going to express with regard to where your child is and what their needs are. Number 4, ask for a bus. All students with an IEP are entitled to be transported to special education programs within 50 miles of their home. However, when it is not listed on their IEP, it can be very difficult to implement. Therefore, it is highly advisable that parents always ask for transportation to be indicated on their child's IEP. And number 5, end the meeting by agreeing to disagree. Unless you are sure you're going to be sending your child to public school or are going to pay for private school yourself, do not end the meeting by committing one way or the other to anything. I cannot stress this enough. For school-aged children in New York City, you will not have an IEP or a school placement at the end of the meeting. Therefore, you want to be very careful about agreeing to anything at the meeting, especially if you have not yet consulted with an attorney. On the other hand, because you have a duty to cooperate with the district, you need to maintain a willingness to consider the IEP and placement that will be sent to you. The best stance to take is agreeing to disagree. Acknowledge that you have serious concerns with the district's proposed program, but state that you are happy to look at what they have to offer. This will keep all of your options open and ensure that you do not damage your case for reimbursement if and when you need to sue for private tuition. Even if you think you are sure you will be suing, absolutely do not say so at the IEP meeting and do not reject the district's program. Continue to keep an open mind with the team. So that's it. There are a lot of specific advice and pointers that I give to each of my families prior to their individual meetings. However, these are 5 great tips that everybody can use. If you have any questions about our services or how we can help you, please reach out via email to jennifer@ratcliffelaw.org or by phone at 646-741-3030. We look forward to hearing from you.